Welcome to the UniFi Talk Quick Start Guide presented by Voxtelesys. In this video, we'll demonstrate how to verify that the Voxtelesys SIP trunk is registered in UniFi Talk. You'll first want to log into the UniFi portal. Click on the UniFi OS icon. Click on the Console Settings tab. Under the Advanced Settings, turn on SSH. Create an SSH password, then click on Enable. You can also change the password from here. Open the terminal CLI. Enter SSH root at followed by the UniFi Dream Machines gateway IP. Navigate back to the UniFi OS to find the gateway IP. Click on the About This Console tab to find it. Enter the root password, which is the SSH password you created in the UDM. To get into the FreeSwitch CLI, enter FS_CLI. Enter Sophia Status Profile to show that your SIP trunk is registered. Congratulations! You've verified that the Voxtelesys SIP trunk is registered in UniFi Talk. Check back for more videos on UniFi Talk, as well as other helpful guides.